I met a horse girl. Now I'm a married dad of 4. Be me. 25, certified office drone, pale as printer paper. Friend drags me to the countryside for fresh air. Expecting bugs, mud, maybe dying of boredom. Instead get horseranch.exe. First thing I see is literal movie scene. Girl on chestnut mare, galloping like wind, sunlight hitting her hair just right. M.exe has stopped working. She hops off like it's nothing, pats horse like it's her sidekick. Friend casually says, "Oh yeah, that's Casey, she trains here." Casey walks over, smiles like we've been friends since birth. Me standing there, office hands shaking at 1,000-pound animal. He doesn't bite, right? Only if you deserve it. TFW horse sneezes on me, almost die, she laughs so hard she cries. Rookie.exe initiated. Next weekends keep getting dragged back. Not complaining because Casey's there. She teaches me brushing, saddling, riding. I suck at all of it. She keeps teasing me. City boy, slowpoke, rookie. Brain, is this bullying or flirting? Also brain, don't care, both work. Storm rolls in one afternoon, rain everywhere. She pulls me under stable roof. Both soaked, laughing, hair messy, cheeks red. Heart.exe flips for first time. Next weekend she, casually, suggests diner trip. World's best pie apparently. Realize halfway through it's basically a date. Don't even touch my phone, just listen to her ramble about horses. Actually having fun touching grass. Fast forward, she texts me midweek, skip the ranch, meet me in town. Heart.exe skyrockets. Coffee shop walk in the park sunset. She stops, looks at me. So, rookie. Leans in, kisses me like it's no big deal. Brain blue screens. From then on, chaos.exe. Writing lessons turn into makeouts. Makeouts turn into rookie, my place or yours. She's confident on horses and elsewhere. Half terrified, half in heaven. Friends notice glow. They think I finally started gym. Not wrong, just wrong kind of cardio. Life.exe slowly upgrades. Gaming weekends, farmers markets, trails, picnics. My apartment stops being bachelor cave. She moves in half her stuff, my place smells like strawberries instead of dust. Learn how to cook something besides frozen pizza, with fire alarm included. 6 months in, she's still calling me rookie. Still drags me everywhere. Still laughs like it's her superpower. One night at the ranch, sunset glow, horses grazing. Finally pull out ring I've been carrying for weeks. Hands shaking like idiot.exe. Want to do this forever? She laughs, hugs me, rookie, obviously yes. Horse snorts like it's clapping. Wedding day pure chaos. Her horse photobombs the ceremony. Best man drops ring twice. Casey vows, rookie, you're my favorite stallion, let's ride forever. Crowd gasps and laughs at same time. Married.exe successful. Fast forward few years. House full of kids, toys, horses, chaos. Casey still glowing, still calling me rookie. I'm just caffeinated dad joke machine at this point. Nighttime routine equals war zone. Collapse on couch, she leans on me, hand on baby bump. Still my favorite stallion. Too tired to argue, too happy to care. Life isn't quiet anymore. But it's loud in the best way possible. TFW, the girl who once laughed at me for petting a horse wrong became my wife, my chaos, and my whole damn world.